How to hide subscriber list on YouTube, whether it's possible to do that with the current updates or not. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser on your device. Now tap on the search bar and type youtube.com. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner and enable desktop site. Now once you enable it, tap on the profile at the top right corner. Now tap on YouTube Studio. Now at the bottom left corner, you will find an option for settings. Simply tap on it. Now tap on channel. Now tap on advanced settings. Now scroll down. Now as you can see, YouTube removed the feature to hide the subscriber count on YouTube. So unfortunately, you won't be able to hide your subscribers on YouTube. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.